So after creating page, in this we can uploading for so many videos. In this uploading for so many videos. People are interesting to increase my video views. Increase my video views. In this call, the page was designed on option is called watch party. The create option call is watch party. This will be eligible by your Facebook page and profile also. Facebook page and profile also. So in this, my main option is called how to get the views and the likes of my Facebook page. How to get the video views and like my page. In this one, select your more option. In this option call is watch party. Option call is watch party. Select your watch party. Here you can play the videos existing your channel video of the YouTube, or we can play other page video also. But I'm playing only for my Facebook page videos. Why? I'm looking for my page getting views and earnings. Select add tune. You can do nothing, just add the tune. How many videos you have to play? Everything. Add tune. This will be only uploaded by the videos on your Facebook page is a valid. When upload videos on your Facebook page is a valid. So add the tune. I'm adding for so many videos. What other videos are there? I'm adding here. Next, select content. Click for done. Click for done. So add something here, content. Your watch party, how many videos we are adding here? 25 videos. And started. What is it? Share now. So we can share by we can add the multiple groups also. Again, we can share by this party will start by when your relevant groups also. Select the group. What are the group you are playing? Only I'm sharing only for 4 groups. How many? 4 groups. Now select your post option. And your existing video, I'll show by the watch party and the people to engage the new customer purpose. Select your post. Now started party will be begin. Wait for a few seconds. So watch party will be started here. So everything will be done on your page. Is it clear? And coming to your page option. I'll go on my page. Why? In my page, I'm clicking for watch part option. How will be party will be going on your my page? Just come into your scroll down. Now here, it's going here. This is a video will be playing on the option. Here will be option call is to start your share. The share will be mainly focused by your one page to another page and groups. So I'll go for first in my timeline. First in my timeline, post option. Second will be your share to one page to another page. Now click for post. And third one, share. Friends timeline. Post it. Post it. Next. Mostly target the new customer always. Select by new groups and new friends timeline that will be shared on your option. See what option will be here. So select by the every person on your option. Now click for post. Is it clear? This is called increase your watch party views. This will be engage your video views and increase your page likes.